Starting around 31 walk 2024 Algorand generally is exchanging at $1.643 in term of its first rate with the value change of 12% in most recent 60 minutes, which sort of is genuinely critical. Algo generally has an all-out market cap of $135,879,351 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $46,892,712 in an especially significant manner. This generally makes Algorand Algo genuinely positioning at 58 in the cryptographic money market, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. In the event that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically is the Algorand cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Algorand be extremely worth in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? Is Algorand a kind of wise venture or worth purchasing in 2024? Or so they in a real sense thought. Will Algo cost truly outperform its unsurpassed high? These really are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand Algo value expectation 2024 as per the Algorand figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Algo cost in every practical sense is supposed to cross a really normal value level of $PT529, the normal extremely least value worth of Algorand toward the finish of this. Essentially, current year ought to, for the most part, be $3 for the 21, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Besides, Algo can explicitly arrive at an especially most extreme value level of $222 in an all things considered significant way. Algorand Algo value conjecture walk 2024. For walk 2024, the cost of Algorand truly is in a real sense anticipated to basically arrive at an in every practical sense normal cost of $8.12 while the coin could exchange. Between a genuinely limit of $1.893 and a genuinely least of $544 in a fundamentally significant manner. Algo value conjecture April 2024. The Algorand estimate for April 2024 expects that the Algo may generally arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $33 with a very least cost of around $735, or so they truly thought. Discussing the kind of typical value Algo can especially stretch around $868 for April amazingly. Algorand Algo value expectation May 2024. The cost for Algorand in May 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $8.8019 and $3.77, which sort of is genuinely critical. While the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $1.26, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Algorand value expectation June 2024. The cost of Algorand especially is somewhat anticipated to sort of reach at an in every way that really matters, least worth of $8.8050 in June 2024 in a sort of significant way. The Algo cost could arrive at a truly greatest worth of $2.94 with the especially normal exchanging worth of $1.2984 all through 2024, showing how in the event that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Algorand cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Algorand basically be genuinely worth in 2024 in a by and large significant manner. Algorand value expectation July 2024. Algorand cost certainly is supposed to explicitly reach between $9.10 to $4.43 in July 2024, while the in every practical sense normal cost of Algo for the July in a real sense stays around $44. Algorand Algo value conjecture August 2024. The Algorand Algo cost for August 2024 may generally arrive at an all things considered least worth of $20.28, while the by and large greatest gauge cost is around $595, which basically is genuinely critical. The typical cost for Algo fundamentally is by and large anticipated to explicitly reach $35 in August 2024, which really is very huge. Algo value gauge September 2024. The Algorand figure for September 2024 expects that the Algo may especially arrive at a fundamentally most extreme worth of $752 with a really least cost of around $22 in an unpretentious manner. Discussing the typical value Algo can in a real sense stretch around $329 for September, which truly shows that Algorand Algo value expectation May 2024. The cost for Algorand in May 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $819 and $77. Algorand value figure October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Algorand sort of is supposed to especially be at around at least $352, which certainly is very critical. Algorand cost can truly arrive at a very limit of $80 and 81 with the very normal cost of $359 in RST, which by and large is genuinely critical. Algorand Algo value expectation November 2024 with respect to November 2024, Algorand value sort of is gauged to basically arrive at an especially the most minimal cost of $325, which basically is very huge. The Algo cost could sort of arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $449 with the especially normal expected cost around $4 to 59, which fundamentally is very critical. Algorand value conjecture December 2024 the normal cost of Algorand Algo could basically go to $5 and 29 toward the finish of December 2024, which really is genuinely huge. Algo could sort of exchange around a truly greatest worth of $42.22 with a sort of least expected cost of $34.21, especially further appearance how Algorand Algo value expectation November 2024. Concerning November 2024, Algorand cost in a real sense is gauged to especially arrive at a fundamentally the most minimal cost of $325. Algorand extremely past value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly has been really diminished by some 62% in its most certainly current worth in an unobtrusive manner. In the event that we especially look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Algo with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down, showing how Algorand Algo value estimate walk 2024. For walk 2024 the cost of Algorand certainly is in every way that really matters, anticipated to arrive at a by and large normal cost of $1.812, while the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of $1.893 and a very least of $544, which for the most part is very critical. From fundamentally most recent 7 days the Algo in every practical sense was in commonly great vertical pattern and expanded by 4.3% in an unpretentious manner. Algorand basically has shown extremely serious areas of strength for lovely potential recently, and this could be especially great chance to basically dive right in and contribute, so this most certainly makes Algorand Algo in every practical sense, positioning at 58 in the digital money market in spite of mainstream thinking. Algorand value gauge 2024 facts what will fundamentally be Algorand worth in 2024, which explicitly is very critical. The Algo cost for the most part is estimated to really arrive at an extremely greatest degree of $142.22 with pretty least cost of $34.21 toward the finish of 2024, which essentially is genuinely critical. Does Algorand really have a future in an especially significant manner? As far as value, Algorand sort of has an exceptional in every practical sense potential to explicitly arrive at new levels, which explicitly demonstrates the way that the Algo cost could in a real sense arrive at a greatest worth of $PR